Guys, it's so cute. It's that heart. Lucky hair, guys, no? Sus ako. Napalagilund ako yung ate nga mo palit para sa ako, guys, no? Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are still at High Point Shopping Center, and I thought that I'm going to show you a quick haul. We picked up a few things, and it's not a lot, guys, but I thought I'm gonna show this to you. Yeah, one by one, give it to me, my assistant. So we went to Daiso first. Oh no, not first, but we went to Daiso. So, ooh, okay. Well, Ate Anna got this for Paris, guys. It's a biscuit. Yeah. It's a biscuit from Daiso. What's the other one we got here? Okay. Actually, Mimi got an earphone from Daiso, guys, but we could. Oh. So it's an earphone, stereo earphone. Got that. And then, guys, we went to Priceline. So this is the paper bag from Priceline, guys, and I've got contact lens solutions, guys, because yeah, mine ran out already, so I got a new one. And then also I got this Garnier toner, guys. It's down to $2, so you can't go wrong, right? So I got that. And then I also got the facial wipes, guys, from Simple. Okay. And then the last thing in this bag, guys, is cotton pads, guys. So yep, that's the one. What else have we got there? We also went to Ali, plastic bag. So guys, we picked up 3 things from there. So these shirts, guys, they're 2 for $25. Beautiful color. I so love this olive green color. I think it's beautiful. And also this kind of pink, like really light pink. So that's the one. It looks so good, guys. I can't wait to wear this. And also this is so cute. I've been actually looking for a dress that's like this, but I couldn't find anywhere. So I've just got a top, a white top. Have a look, guys. I think this will look good. This will look good with high-waisted skirts or shorts. I'm ready for spring, guys. Bring it on, spring. So that's the one. So actually, guys, this one is for $19.99. And that's the one. And then the next one, guys. Oh. So I didn't buy this one, guys, but Ate Anna gave this to us. We haven't seen this one, guys. So we'll have a look what's inside. Ay, pag ganito pa, guys. Ay! Alam na, guys. Winnings. Hindi natin pakita, guys, kaya basta nung i-delete sa YouTube, guys, itong account. Thank you, Ate Anna. Thank you. And then, this is the last one. So this is, oh no, not yet. This one, oh, okay. So then, guys, we went to Bevel's because Paris lost her earring again, guys. So I went to get her a new pair. And then in this bag we got 3 boxes. So I'm gonna show you one by one. So the first one is so this one is an anklet, guys. Mimi, as soon as Mimi saw it, she knew that she wanted it. So I got this for her. Oh look, guys, it's so cute. It's that hot. Lucky her, guys, no? Sus ako. Napalang ginunda ko yung ate nga mo palit para sa ako, guys, no? Ano po siya, guys? Ay, palangga. And then, so here's the earring that I bought for Paris. Have a look. It's also hot, guys, with some bling bling diamond stone. So this is for kids, guys. So that will look good on her for sure. That's the one. And then the last one here, guys, I'm so excited for this one. Oh, guys, it's so cute. Oh, shoot. I also got a hat. So this is what it looks like, guys. It's a bangle, guys. How cute is this bangle? This is for Paris. Oh, so cute. And see, guys, it's adjustable. See? So you can make it small, bigger. So this one, and also, guys, I got last thing to show you. So we went after Bevel's, guys. We went to, who's this one? Sprouts. Because also I wanted to get an earring, guys, for my second haul. So I got this one. I'm wearing it already. So this one, guys, the second one. Oh, I think that's so cute. So I'm wearing that one now. And then this one, guys. So this one here is still healing, but I already got like an earring for it, guys. So that's gold stud. Oh. Have a look, it's so freaking tiny. That's the one, yep. So as soon as this heals, guys, I'm going to replace it with this stud. So yeah, guys, I don't know where's the receipt. Couldn't find it, but yeah, that's what we got today, guys. Thank you for watching this quick video, and I hope you like it. And also, guys, I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you get, be careful. Bye. Well, tawag-tawag sa iyong Bye.